Have you ever felt a sharp twinge in your heel first thing in the morning? Or maybe your toes feel squeezed and uncomfortable after a long day? Most of us brush it off, thinking it's the shoes, the weather, or just aging. But what if these little annoyances are actually your body's way of sounding the alarm? In a city as fast-paced and active as Los Angeles, we rely on our feet to keep up. From beach runs to Hollywood hikes to standing in traffic, or even dancing through the night, your feet are working hard. That's why basic foot care is anything but basic. Today, we'll break down what basic foot care really includes, the most common foot problems we see here in Los Angeles, and why taking action now can protect your mobility and your quality of life for years to come. Your feet are like the foundation of a house. If they're unstable, everything above them can suffer. Pain in your feet can lead to back pain, poor posture, and even balance issues. At Eazy Foot Ankle, our team sees thousands of patients each year, from athletes and dancers to everyday Angelenos just trying to get through the day without foot pain. And the truth is, most foot conditions are highly treatable if you catch them early. Let's start with a major culprit, plantar fasciitis. This condition causes inflammation in the thick band of tissue under your foot. It can feel like stepping on a thumbtack the moment you get out of bed. Then there's Achilles tendonitis, pain at the back of the heel, often caused by overuse. We see this a lot in weekend warriors and runners training a bit too hard, too fast. Treatment includes rest, proper footwear, and exercises to reduce strain. Did you know that foot structure can be hereditary? That's why even young people develop bunions or hammer toes. A bunion is a bony bump at the base of the big toe. Tight shoes can make it worse, but the root issue is often genetics or poor foot mechanics. Hammer toes cause one or more toes to curl downward due to muscle imbalance. Left untreated, these deformities can get worse and eventually require surgery. Early intervention with spacers, splints, or footwear changes can make a big difference. An ingrown toenail might sound minor, until you get one. Painful swelling, redness, and even infection can follow. If you find yourself soaking your foot often or limping from the pain, it's time to see a podiatrist. At Eazy Foot, we can safely remove the problem portion of the nail and, if needed, treat any infection before it spreads. LA. Life often means lots of sandals, gyms, pools, and locker rooms. Perfect environments for fungal infections like athlete's foot or toenail fungus. These infections are stubborn, but with the right prescription treatment, topical or oral, you can stop the spread and restore healthy skin and nails. Got thick, rough patches of skin on your toes or heels? These corns and calluses form from pressure or friction. Though they're usually harmless, they can become painful if they press on nerves. Let a professional handle it, and you'll walk away with healthier skin and better advice on footwear. If you live with diabetes, you need to pay special attention to your feet. Why? Because diabetes reduces blood flow and sensation in the feet, making it harder to notice cuts, blisters, or wounds. Unchecked, those tiny injuries can become ulcers, or worse. Peripheral neuropathy, another diabetes-related condition, can cause numbness, tingling, or burning, affecting your ability to walk safely. Routine visits with a podiatrist are key. We help catch problems early and give you the tools to keep your feet healthy long-term. Feeling a constant ache in your foot that gets worse with activity? It might be a stress fracture, a small crack in the bone caused by repetitive impact. Early diagnosis is key. The sooner we intervene with rest and bracing, the faster you heal. An ankle sprain can happen in seconds, but healing can take weeks or months if not treated properly. We use the classic RICE method: rest, ice, compression, elevation, and guide recovery with braces or therapy if needed. Chronic instability can be prevented with the right care. Foot pain isn't just inconvenient, it's your body asking for help. From skin and nail conditions to sports injuries and chronic pain, basic foot care means listening early and acting fast. And here's the best part: you don't have to do it alone. At Eazy Foot Ankle, we're proud to serve the Los Angeles community with expert, compassionate care. Our mission? helping you walk, run, and live without pain every single day. Imagine a life where every step feels light, confident, and pain-free. That life starts today, with one simple appointment. Call 424-279-9332 or visit easyfoot.com. Serving Greater Los Angeles. Don't wait for the pain to get worse. Treat your feet to the expert care they deserve, because when your feet feel good, everything gets better.